Well, the grey market will price anything. Well, it's maybe like a greyhound race. People can bet on anything. Grey market premia are just a device which helps to manipulate prices of IPOs coming. वहाँ से सिग्नल आता है राजस्थान, गुजरात, राजकोट and so many other places where सट्टेबाजी के चक्कर में the prices get determined. With a small amount of money, a very small fraction of the IPO proceeds, you can generate a price in the grey market. That price has really nothing to do with how that listed stock will perform in the next year or so. It's a worthwhile investment for companies which are issuing that stock in the IPO to manipulate it in the grey market. I cannot, of course, come on air and say that I have made a lot of money in the grey market. लेकिन अनाप शनाप पैसे बने हैं मेरे बंधुओं के. Let me put it this way, have made oodles of cash by speculating in the grey market. Of course, when the euphoria is such, when the secondary market is so buoyant, when so many IPOs need to list, there are lakhs of crores of money which are going to be raised from the stock markets. Everyone's interest, new issuers, government, tax authorities, everyone is going to make tons and tons of money from these IPOs. Everyone's vested interest is कि भाव टंगा रहे. इस चक्कर में it's all euphoric. If you have money, make money in the grey market, but don't put it in these IPOs. Get out before they list. There will be very, very, very few non-greedy promoters like those of HDB Financial, which will price it below the grey market. It will be in fact the other way. The greedy promoters will determine their price and then set it in the grey market. What this will do is, list होने के बाद जब ओवरऑल मार्केट क्रैश होगा, इन्वेस्टर्स के पैसे आधे हो जाएंगे. दिस पार्टी विल रॉक ऑन फॉर अ लिटिल व्हाइल मोर, but not forever, my friends. Remember the famous line, winter is coming.